Welcome to my channel, the AAG, the pressure cooker. In today's video, I am going to show you how to prepare eco-friendly Ganesh idol at your home. This Ganesh idol can be made using garden soil or simply turmeric or besan flour also. Here I have made using garden soil which is available in my garden. You can also use any other alternative which I have stated before. So let's get into the video and know how to prepare this eco-friendly Ganesha. There is a surprise for you also at the end of this video. Stay tuned. Hope you love this Ganesh idol. To prepare this Ganesh idol, take about 250 to 300 grams of garden soil. To this add wheat grains. The secret ingredient is here wheat grain. I'll tell you at the end of the video why I have added these wheat grains. So you have to knead this soil for about 10 minutes by adding little water. Portion this complete garden soil mixture into 4 to 5 portions. For this, firstly you need to prepare a base. Portion of soil which is of medium size to make lower part of the body. This part should be less in size when compared to base part. Now to prepare head and upper part of the body, you have to take 2 equal portions and prepare another part of the body for the trunk. And now shape one portion of the soil into cylindrical shape so that you could make legs and hands. Now roll this mixture as shown to prepare legs. Interesting, right? See, I'll repeat once again. Here I have taken 4 portions. One large portion for the base, still less in size than the base portion is the lower part of the body portion. For head and ears and trunk, you have to take equal portions, and the upper part of the body is little less than the lower part of the body. And you have to take 2 cylindrical portions, one for legs and other for hands. Now for the base, flatten the larger portion of the soil as shown. Dip your hands in water to make into smooth surface. Now on this base, place the lower part of the body, add little water and fix it to the base. Smoothen at its back so that it remains constant. Take the legs portion, shape the legs portion into 2 equal parts and fix it at its back by pressing it gently. Remember to always dip your finger in water, press at its back so that this portion gets connected to the other portion of the soil. Now similarly, fix other side of the leg. Now as shown, press gently and fix the leg to the body. Now 2 legs are ready. Now you have to place upper part of the body. For this, take the portion for upper part of the body and place on this lower part of the body. Fix the head on the lower part of the body. Press at its edges so that it remains connected. Always remember to dip your hand in water at regular intervals to make the surface of the idol smooth. Fix the hands by joining end portions to the upper part of the body. Bend a little bit so that it forms like palm. Press and fix the other hand also. Now we are good to go to make head of the idol. So this process is very simple and you can easily make Ganesh idols at your home. Now the idea behind mixing wheat grains along with this idol is like you need not throw away these idols soon after you finish the puja. You just need to take this idol into your garden or a pot and add water. The wheat grains which we have added while preparing this idol get sprouted up. After 2 to 3 days, you could see little sprouts coming up from the soil. I hope you like this idea. Now to this head, fix ears also. We are almost done. 80% of our idol is done. And now we have to prepare the trunk for Lord Ganesha. To prepare trunk, you have to shape the mud into cylindrical. Fix it on the face at its center. Dip your hand in water and join the end portion to the face. Now to prepare the crown for the idol, I have taken a small portion of the soil and pressed in between my palms and placed it on the head of Lord Ganesha. Now you can leave it at this point of stage or you can add the crown. I prefer adding the crown because this gives extra detailing to the idol. By dipping your hands in water and smoothen the surface so that it forms an even structure. Dipping a little bit of water, we have made the surface of the crown really smooth. Now the crown is ready and we have finished our making of Ganesh idol. To place the eyes, make little hollow shape into the idol. Place 2 small balls in the hollow shape portions. With the help of a toothpick, give little detailing to the eyes. Place urad dal. detailing with the help of toothpick and decorated using wheat grains. You can use any sort of decoration pieces. If you do like this video, please hit the like button. Please comment down below how did you like this preparation of Ganesh idol. This video is made to give an idea how to make your own idols at your home with your hands, and this gives another level of satisfaction. I hope you all will definitely try and prepare your own Ganesh idols at your home. Please do share your Ganesh idol pictures which you have prepared at your home with me in the Instagram. I'll be linking down in the description box below. Please do share them. I will be featuring their pictures in my next video showing the progress how my wheat grains have turned out into saplings. Stay tuned for my coming video. I will give an update on these saplings in 2 to 3 days. So stay tuned, guys. So now I am decorating the idol with the help of white paint. Using a fine brush, draw a few lines on the face. Involve your kids in doing their own idols, and this is great recreation for them in this quarantine days. I hope your kids will definitely love this process of making their own idols. Look how cute our Ganesha is looking. And just little decoration on the palms also. Instead of using idols made with plaster of Paris, this is the best way to prepare your own idols at your home. I hope you like this video. If you do like this video, please hit the like button, and if you're first time to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and always click on bell icon so that you would receive any notification as soon as I post it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and happy Ganesh Chaturthi to each and everyone.